Here's a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. A very nice looking driver quality vehicle. It's powered by a 400 small block underneath the hood. Definitely a healthy engine, has Vortec heads to it. Mild cam in it. It's kept cool with an aluminum radiator. It's also been installed. Does have power steering and power brakes. The power brakes have rotors at all four corners. So it does have disc brakes all the way around. Rear end is a 373 Posi and 4-speed manual transmission. So it kind of gives you a little rundown on the drivetrain. As far as the paint, the vinyl top, all within the last couple years old when this car was refurbished. So as you can see, the bright work, trim pieces, moldings, that vinyl top, all in very nice shape. And a lot of interior work done on this car too, as far as recent replacement. When I get around to the driver's side, we'll kind of go down a list of what's been done there. You can see it's a straight car. Paint has a nice luster to it. Again, I'd consider it a very nice driver quality Chevelle. Chrome, very nice in the rear bumper. Nice look with that white stripe, black vinyl top. Take a look down the driver's side here. It's a pretty darn straight car. Let's slip around to open this up and show some of the things. As you can see, the vinyl's been replaced, door cards have been replaced, headliner, again, all within the last few years when this car was redone. Front seats, buckets have been put in. There's your 4-speed shifter on the floor. Some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash for monitoring the volts, water, oil, fuel. Carpeting, very nice shape also. Let's go ahead and start this car up once. So you can hear a great sounding car too. See, it fires right up. Aftermarket gauges wired do work. So we get to warm up here a little bit. Make sure it idles, will slip around behind it so you can hear it